National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Scott County in western Arkansas, northern Polk, P.O.L.K. County in western Arkansas, southwestern Yell County in central Arkansas, northwestern Montgomery County in western Arkansas. Until 3:30 p.m. At 2:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Polk, P.O.L.K. County Fairgrounds, or near Mena, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mena, Hatfield, Stonehouse Recreation Area, Gravelly, Polk, P.O.L.K. County Fairgrounds, Mena Intermountain Airport, Muddy Creek Wildlife Management Area, Acorn, Oleo, Inc., Potter, Bowles, Dallas, Blue Ball, Shady Grove, Union Hill, Rocky, Cedar Creek, Camp Pioneer, Y City.